You shouldn't blame the market if you are an unsuccessful Forex trader. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach video and podcast number 288. Now, I don't know what's happening out there. Maybe it's because we're around 2/3 of the way through the year, but there seems to be a lot of disgruntled people out there in the Forex market. And this past week, I've just had no end of emails from non-clients. All asking about, the Forex market, how can you make money, or it's impossible to make money, or accusing me of selling unrealistic dreams about being a full-time trader, or just saying that the Forex market's rigged or the brokers are against you, all these kind of things. They're not making money, so it's either they're, it seems to be my fault this week, but I'm really not sure what's wrong with some of these thoughts, because it's a real negative and backwards and losing kind of mentality if you're out there and you're trying to find someone else to blame for your inability to make money as a trader. But unfortunately, I don't know whether it's a social media thing, but people seem to be really, really good at trying to blame everybody else for their own problems. And this is no different actually. And I think that, we need to be brutally honest about this. If you can't make money as a trader, that's your problem. You can't blame the market, you can't blame me, you can't blame someone else, it's your problem. So what are you going to do about it? And that's really what it comes down to. Because I kind of, I get these emails quite often, but like I said, right now, this time of year, maybe it's the end of August and people realizing that we're only a few months away to the end of another year, and yet again, they've been disappointed with their results. Possibly that's what it is, I'm not sure. Luckily, my own clients are far from that, but it's only non-clients that are writing to me with this. So think about the 80-20 rule. You've probably heard about it. It's all over the place. And probably around 80% of the profits are made by 20% of the traders, or 80% of the people don't do anything about not being successful, and 20% of the people who go and take action, and rather than whinging, they actually do something about it. And you've got to really sort of think about that and say, which side of that do I want to be on? Am I the person that's going to sit there on Facebook and Twitter and stuff, or moan to someone like myself that the market's rigged and I'm not making money? Or are you going to be one of the 20% that actually do something about it? And that's what it comes down to. You see, I've been accused by another person this week of putting out the hard sell, of just selling my course and things like that. Well, look, if you want to just think like that, and if you want to criticize, then go for it. It doesn't bother me. I put a lot of effort into helping people with sort of free webinars, with calculators, with ebooks, etc. A lot of information out there with these weekly videos to try and help people for absolutely nothing. I don't want anything from it, from you for what I put out there at all. And so I take that philosophy of, look, if you want to join, absolutely great. If you don't, absolutely great also. It doesn't bother me. We're doing really well. We've got an amazing group of traders doing very, very well, very successful. And if people don't want to join, don't join. Doesn't bother me. It really doesn't matter. But on the other hand, if you do want to join, well, look out. You've got some exciting, news coming for you, and exciting future coming for you. Because for those people who do want to join and do want to commit and take action and better themselves and better their trading, wow, we got some cool news for you. Everything that we possibly can do to help you becoming successful is what we do. We put in so much time and effort into really striving to get every single client of ours successful. That's our aim. It really comes down to that. If you want to join us, there's everything that we will do in our power to make you successful. So have a think about that. It comes down to your attitude and what you want to do about it. But whichever way you go, don't blame the market. It's not the market's fault, it's yours. So blunt but true. So I hope that helps. Once again, this is Andrew Mitchem, the Forex Trading Coach. I'll see you this time next week.